about the UNEA. We are hoping that the discussions will bring forth a global plastic treaty to be able to address the issue of plastic pollution, which is a big menace to our environment. We need it addressed once and for all. There is so much uncontrolled production of single-use plastics, which are wrecking our environment in ways that cannot even be measured. So we need these industries, especially, to have caps or limits in production of single-use plastics. We need them to have reductions on virgin plastics and more use of recyclable plastics in their new products, so that we do not end up swamping our environment with so much plastic. The campaign calling for ban on plastic bags started in around 2013, 2017, when the Cabinet Secretary for Environment, then Professor Judua, passed the ban on plastic bags. I think that's 4 years ago, and the ban has already been successful. We have seen great reductions on plastic bags, especially littering our environment in drains and rivers. So I would say the ban has been very effective at reducing the amount of litter in our environment, and I hope that there will be more bans on single-use plastics, not just in Kenya but other countries, and this can be addressed better by the global plastic treaty, which we are hoping it comes in from the discussions coming up at the UNEA in Nairobi on 28th to 2nd March 2022. We are expecting all UN member countries to support fully the Rwanda-Peru resolution that is trying to address plastic from the whole life cycle, from production, use, disposal, up to recycling. And I think Rwanda-Peru draft resolution is the best, because it tries to address the whole life cycle of plastic. So my expectation is that we are going to come out with a resolution that will help the world fight plastic